there, I'm Olivia. Thanks for joining me today. I'm going to be doing my Ipsy unboxing for March. I'm really excited about this one because I actually haven't gotten my Ipsy for a little bit. I skipped a few months just because I had so many little sample sizes that I just needed to use some of them up before I got any new ones. So I'm really excited to have this. I took a little sneak peek so far and there's one or two things that I'm especially excited for. So first of all, the bag. It's cute. It's like a rose gold. It says she can change the, and off she went to change the world on it. So that's cute. Honestly, I don't really need very many of these bags. I don't know that anyone needs very many of these bags. I've already got about 10,000, but it's cute. I can use it for like when I'm traveling, keeping like cords and earbuds and whatever in, so that's fun. And then there was one thing that came outside the bag, so I got a brush. This one is the Moda Pro Precision Angle Brush. So I always like getting brushes. They can be expensive to buy, so if I ever get one in a subscription, then that's fun. This one feels pretty soft, so it looks like it'll be a good shape for like in the crease. Honestly, I could probably even use it as a really precise highlighter brush. So excited to try that one out. And then inside the bag, okay, so the card says it's National Women's History Month. I really like the colors on this. I like the bright blue and yellow and red. I was actually thinking the other day, I had watched a video on color theory and I thought it would be really fun to do an eye look with these three colors. So I think I'm going to try that soon, so stay tuned. But as far as the products go, so the first one here is the Yensa Foundation BB and CC. It says it's a full coverage foundation, so we'll see about that. It does have an SPF of 40. Now I really like my It Cosmetics CC cream, and that one has an SPF of 50, I think it is. But if this has as good of coverage, it'll be nice to have just a little travel size like this. We're going to be doing some traveling this summer, especially, so it's kind of nice if you don't have to bring like a full-size thing with you. So let's see how that matches. So it is a little bit dark for me right now, but I think once the summertime comes, that'll actually be pretty good. I always get a lot more tan in the summer, and I feel like my undertone almost changes too. It gets a lot more yellow in the summer. So that'll be good. I'm excited to try about that. I don't know that it's full coverage. I mean, I feel like you can still see like my veins coming through a lot, but we'll give it a try. I'm excited about that. And then this is the thing that I was really looking forward to. So I got the First Aid Beauty Coconut Skin Smoothie Priming Moisturizer. And I haven't really tried any makeup from First Aid Beauty. I've tried their, let's see here, it was like a holiday set that had a cleanser, the Ultra Repair Cream, which I do really like this, and it was a pack of their, let's see here, what are they called? Like the toner pads. There's a pack of the toner pads, which I do really like those. I actually think I'm going to repurchase those. I got a coupon for like $5 off anything that came in a little sampler, and First Aid Beauty was one of those samples that I had gotten a while ago, so I think I'm going to use my coupon for some more of those toner pads. But anyway, I'm excited about this. I've seen a few people talk about it, and it seems like they really like it. Super moisturizing, so especially now before it gets warmer, I think it'll be nice to have. And it smells good, so I'm excited about that one. I can't wait to try it. Okay, and then let's see here. We got a highlighter from Pure. So this is the Skin Perfecting Powder in Afterglow. I don't know that I've really tried a lot of Pure things. I really like that it comes in a single pan. I feel like even though I don't have a large collection, where I store my highlighters, it does get kind of cluttered because some of them have really bulky packaging. So I do like that I can just pop this into a Z palette. That makes it a little bit more storage friendly, I guess. So let's see here. It's kind of a yellowy champagne gold. So it doesn't seem like it's super pigmented. I don't know if you can really even see it there. It's just kind of a light wash, but that'll be nice. Not everything has to be like blinding. So that's a nice option for days when I want to wear something a little bit lighter. So that'll be fun to try. And then the last thing I got here, it is a lip gloss from Ciate. I think that's how you say it. I haven't tried any of the lip products before. I know that I got an eyeliner in a bag before, just a black eyeliner, surprise. And I got, let's see here, a highlighter from them before. I didn't love the highlighter because it was super glittery, but I haven't tried any of their lip products. So it looks like this one, or have I not swatched? Okay, so this one is actually pretty sheer. Looking at it in the tube, I thought it would be a lot more of a coral, but it looks like it's actually, it has a little bit of glitter to it and a little bit of pink, but it's nothing like super pigmented. So I actually kind of like that better for gloss. I realize I'm wearing a bright pink lip today, but in general, I do kind of like more neutral glosses. So that'll be pretty. I'm excited to try that. So that's everything that I got in my Ipsy this month. Thank you for watching. I'll definitely do a get ready with me using some of these things soon. So I hope that you will join me for that as well. Please subscribe if you liked what you saw today. I'd love to have you. I'm really excited about starting my channel. I love makeup. I love talking about it. So definitely let me know in the comments if you've tried any of these things, how you liked them, how you like to wear them. And I look forward to seeing you next time. Bye.